To indicate purpose or reason. For a reason, for this purpose, for the sake of, she did it for a reason that was not immediately clear. This meeting is organized for this purpose, to discuss the new policy. To express duration of time, for a while, for years, for hours. I stayed in the city for a while before moving abroad. She worked at the company for years before retiring. To indicate a recipient or beneficiary, for you, for them, for us. I bought this gift for you. The charity event is organized for them to raise awareness. To show the intended use of something, for sale, for use, for display. This item is for sale at a discounted price. These tools are for use in the workshop. To indicate a specific period or time in the future, for tomorrow, for next week, for a moment. The project is scheduled for tomorrow. We will need more time for next week to finalize everything. To express a comparison or exchange for money, for free, for a price. You can buy this book for money or trade it for something else. The event is for free, so anyone can join. To show support or preference for the team, for the cause, for him. She spoke out for the team during the meeting. They marched for the cause of equality. Common collocations with for example, for instance, for sure for the first time. He explained everything clearly, for example, how to use the software. I'm not sure for sure, but I think they are coming. This is for the first time I've been to this restaurant.